Hi everyone, welcome to our channel and listeners. I hope you will be fine this time to talk about fans, businesses after BTS stop and El Paso are smashing success. Jesus Baltazar updated on 4th May 2026. El Paso, Texas, after tens of thousands of fans packed the Sunball for BTS on Saturday, 2nd May, thousands more poured through the gates to experience the magic of day 2. Sunday night marked the grand final of the global pop sensation's highly anticipated weekend stop in the Sun City. The excitement and hype have been off the charts all week long. The crowd was a vibrant mix of locals experiencing the phenomenon for the very first time and dedicated army members who went all out purchasing tickets for both nights. For El Paso local Jasmine Carrillo, the sheer scale of the event was surreal. This is my first time seeing them. I never expected to ever see them, Carrillo said. Like this is like a whole dream come true. Fans travel from all corners of the country for the El Paso dates. A trio of friends, Kathy Hahn, Jessica Shen, and Song Mori, flew in from the San Francisco Bay Area Sunday morning specifically for round 2. Have fun Army, Bora Hai, I purple you. And thanks for all the free buys. We love the gifts that everybody shares, the trio said, referencing the fan community's tradition of exchanging handmade gifts. Another San Francisco fan Ellen decided to elevate her second consecutive night at the Sun Ball. What we are doing different today is we were able to get some VIP sound check tickets and we are able to see these guys up close and personal, Elaine said. So last night we zoomed out. Now we are going to zoom right in. While the energy was undeniable positive, the biggest complaint from fans who attended Saturday night's concert was the massive line to get inside, which reportedly pushed the concert start time back by nearly an hour. Not willing to take any chances, thousands of fans adjusted their strategy and showed up to the gates much earlier on Sunday. Il Passon, Jalen Placencia was among those waiting patiently. We are ready, we got here early. If we have to stand in line, we will stand in line, Placencia said. We did it for the March line like 2 days ago, so it's not unusual for us to stand in line for hours. The massive influx of visitors was not just a win for the fans, it was an unprecedented economic boom for local business around OTEP. Many prepared well to avoid running out of product, but they still noted the weekend rushes completely shattered their expectations and said this was the busiest they have ever been for a major concert or event at the university. It's been basically non-stop, said Justin Tong, co-founder of Wabatia Wabati. We have had a packed store the whole day from opening till basically an hour before the concert. It was really packed before the after the concert, said Jennifer Gonzalez, an employee at the pizza joint. We had a pretty long line and the tables were pretty full as well, including the outdoor tables. Ultimately, beyond the long lines, the merchandise and the packed restaurants, the core reason fans said they love BTS comes down to the band's uplifting message and the tangible impact it has had on their lives. Well, I got into them when I was in a low place, said Ashley Hooser, a local fan. When I was in middle school, I was getting bullied a lot, so they were starting their BTS Love Yourself around the time as well, so that definitely helped me. Despite the logistical issues highlighted in the days and hours leading up to the concert, the overwhelming consensus from both locals and visitors was clear. The tour stop in the Sun City was an unforgettable success. Reflecting on the trip, Elaine from San Francisco summed up the weekend perfectly. I'm glad we picked El Paso. We could have gone anywhere for our first BTS concert, but coming here was great. We got to meet people from Nebraska, Indianapolis, local Austin, she said. Copyright 2026, Next Star Media. All right, reserved. The material may not be published, broadcast, rewritten, or redistributed. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Good